3, 2, 1, lift off. Whoa, lovely. Off you go to space, Kinney. 1, 2, 3, go. Brilliant, brilliant.
Should I try my hands?
Well then. Let me have a go.
Wait.
Put it. No, I'll do it. You just put that in. Turn that around a bit. Hang on. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Hang on.
Go!
Oh, I was going to do that.
Wait, what's this one? 3, 2, 1.
Lovely.
What's this study?
You doing that? Go and bring it back here then.
You have a go.
Yeah, that's what I said earlier.
Should I hold it?
Listen. Right, here, now I'll do it. Bring this thing round here.
3, 2, 1.
Hang on.
Go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
That was so
Go on then, relaunch.
Let me have a go. That high.
Put some petrol in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that's it.
Let me do it higher.
And the bubbles going everywhere. Right, let me have a go. Quick.
Wait.
Then I've got to go in.
Wait.
Watching quick. Brilliant.
You have a go now. Can I hold it this time?
One.
No.
Oh, whoa. Oh, it hit your hand. Why did you put your hand in front of it?
I just put my hand there.
Alright, that's it. You know what?
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
I want to do it high like you did. That one was so high.
Whoa.
I didn't even know that one was going.
Let me get back and do it.
Wait. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Nice one. Let's see if you can get it higher than the shed roof. Go.
Okay, but count them.
Go from 10, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Brilliant.
Wait, let me do it higher than the shed. Oh. Count from 11.
Go then. 1, 2, 3, go! Up to 5. Oh, that was quick.
Count from 11 down.
Go then. 11. What comes up? 11, sorry. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! That's it now. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching my video.
Let me see.